Installing a lamp controlled in 3 different locations using 2 SPDT or 3-way switches and an intermediate or 4-way switch. Before anything else, make sure to wear your complete PPE when performing this task. Turn off the power source at the circuit breaker to prevent electrical shock. To do this, you will need the following tools and materials: pliers, screwdrivers, wires, wire stripper, mounting screws, 2 3-way switches, 4-way switch, lighting fixture, wire nuts or electrical tape. For easier wiring installation, we will designate each wire as follows: S for switch wire, T for traveler wire, R for return wire, and H for hot wire. Connect a wire from the source to the 0 terminal of the first 3-way switch. This will be our switch wire, or S. Connect a wire from the 1 terminal of the first 3-way switch to the 1 terminal of the 4-way switch. This wire is a traveler wire, or T. Connect a wire from the 3 terminal of the first 3-way switch to the 3 terminal of the 4-way switch for the other traveler wire. Connect a wire from the 2 terminal of the 4-way switch to the 1 terminal of the second 3-way switch for another traveler wire. Connect a wire from the 4 terminal of the 4-way switch to the 3 terminal of the second 3-way switch for another traveler wire. Connect a wire from the 0 terminal of the second 3-way switch to the lighting fixture. This is for our return wire, or R. Connect a wire from the lighting fixture back to the power source for our hot wire, or H. Make sure that all screws are well tightened. Mount the switch and the lighting fixture. Carefully push it into the box and secure it with screws. Turn off the power to test if the installation functions well. Perform good housekeeping and clean up the whole area from debris and other waste materials.